Here's our yeast experiment setup. I have 3 glasses, each filled with yeast, 3 stirring spoons. I have 150 milliliters of warm water and a bag of cane sugar. In glass A, I will be putting no sugar. In glass B, I will be putting a pinch of sugar, which is literally the amount that you can fit between your fingers. And then in glass C, I will be putting 1 teaspoon. Once those have been added, I will add 50 milliliters of water to each glass, stir, and we'll observe the results. As you can see, I've added just a pinch of sugar. I've added a tablespoon of sugar and no sugar. Here comes our water. As you can see, I have 150 milliliters. I'm going to be putting 50 in each glass. I know the experiment says 40, but this is easier to measure. Now we will stir each of the substances. So as you can see, we've now thoroughly mixed all of the substances. And we'll check back in about 5 to 10 minutes to see how they're doing. Okay, so about 5 minutes have passed by. We're looking at glass A. You can see there's a little bit of sediment on the bottom with some white foam on the top, or lighter colored foam at the top. Not too much change other than that. When we slide over and compare to B, you can obviously see a lot more of that layer of foam, the sediment on the bottom. Remember, we had equal parts yeast, equal parts water. This one had a pinch of sugar. This one had no sugar added. So A to B, and now here's comparison B to C. So when we slide back, we can see the similar type of reaction. We can see a thicker layer of foam on the top, more sediment on the bottom, and then a pan out so you can see A, B, and C. Remember, all 3 equal parts yeast, all 3 equal parts water. A had no sugar, B had a pinch, and C had a tablespoon. And for an update, now we've had about 10 to 15 minutes that have passed by, and you can see the results again in glass A, glass B, glass C.